This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to service your BMW 4 Series using an easy method. We will cover essential maintenance tasks you can perform yourself, saving you time and money. You'll learn about basic checks and simple procedures to keep your vehicle running smoothly. This guide focuses on straightforward steps, making car care accessible for everyone. Let's dive into keeping your BMW in top condition with just a few easy steps. To begin, you will need a few essential tools and supplies. A good quality socket set, a reliable torque wrench, and an oil filter wrench are crucial. For materials, ensure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 6 to 7 liters, and a fresh oil filter. Don't forget a drain pan, a funnel, and plenty of shop rags for a clean workspace. One of the easiest and most important service tasks is an oil change. First, warm your engine for about 10 minutes to help the oil flow. Then, carefully locate and remove the oil drain plug to empty the old oil into your drain pan. Next, replace the old oil filter with a new one, ensuring it is properly seated. Finally, refill your engine with the specified amount of fresh, high-quality engine oil. Beyond oil changes, regular checks are vital. Make sure to check your tire pressure monthly. Maintaining proper inflation, usually around 32 to 35 psi, improves safety and fuel efficiency. Regularly inspect fluid levels like coolant and brake fluid. Following your vehicle's recommended service intervals, typically every 10,000 miles or 12 months, will significantly extend its lifespan and maintain its value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.